What's up guys, Johnny from TechSpace, and today we've got two RC vehicles that we are going to do in a versus video, and that is going to be dirt cheap RC cars, both with hydraulic shocks, and one would have a solid rear axle and the other one will have independent suspension. So this should be interesting. Let's quickly see what two vehicles we're going to be using for this. And how awesome does that ZD Racing DBX10 look? I am really happy with it. It is one of my favorite RC cars in terms of looks. I really did a whole cosmetic change on it. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of it? Now, for those of you who's new to the channel, these are the suspension props that we use, and there is the whoops. There you can see is a couple of other suspension tests with obstacles, but this is a brand new one, as you can see there, guys. Now this is what I would call a random bump test. So there is randomly placed obstacles on these two ply boards, and that will mimic how a vehicle will do when it is actually driving on an off-road terrain. So as you can see, height differences and also random placement. Now without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so now that the testing is done, let me know in the comments down below which one of these awesome two vehicles won it for you. Which one do you prefer? How do you like the movement of the suspension? I think they are both great. You can definitely see that the solid rear axle vehicle does jump around a little bit more, but the independent suspension vehicle really handled it very nicely. And let's all be honest, let's give it to this DBX10. It is a really capable vehicle. I'm surprised. And the best of all, that vehicle was cheaper than that vehicle when I bought them about 2 months ago. And that is the unbelievable part of this. Yes, I did put a lot of money into that one. It does have a couple of upgrades, but it's just incredible how that vehicle performs. That drivetrain is so silent, it's really impressive. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate every single like and comment on all of my videos, from subscribers, non-subscribers, from all of you. Thank you so much. I'm Johnny from TechSpace, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.